It's my birthday and it's my wife's birthday tomorrow. So every year in January, we take a little trip and we upgrade from the tent that you usually see me in. This year we rented a cabin in the Adirondacks. So we're in Keene Valley, New York, and we're staying here for 4 nights. We're gonna do a little snowshoeing, we're gonna do some cross-country skiing, we're gonna check out Lake Placid, drive into areas where there's lots of mountains and lots of fun things to do, and just do whatever feels the most awesome. You good girl. Basking in the sunshine.
Yeah, go. Wanna go? We wanna go?
Her face. We just got the first real serious snow in this area since December. So we got 8 to 12 inches most everywhere. Hey baby. Whoa. I don't have it in action mode, Iris. I can't follow you. All right, let's check it out. What do you think, guys? One step up from the portable tent, maybe? Glasses. I mean, this is the biggest upgrade, is we usually don't have power at any of the places that we go. I know what you're thinking. What's up there? A loft. Got Christmas lights too. The ladder's actually screwed in, which is nice. We stayed at one where the ladder was like, woo, it swung out and it extended, and it was terrifying. Check that out. The mini fan. This is a nice touch. And they chained it so that I can't fall out or can't throw a pillow out the window, which is probably more likely. Little battery powered candle for up in the loft. Also smart. Oh, that candle's short-lived. Check out the view from on high. Those are our house rules down there. Little teepee in the sunset. I like it. These folks asked ahead what time we were coming and stoked up a little fire. There's not much of it left now, but it'll be easy to light, and that really takes the chill out of the cabin. Horchata!
Iris, what do you think about the birthday horchata?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What are you doing? You're silly.
Good try that.
You just pour it all in there. So it's in a little bowl of cheese.
Use all of it.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's the map say, Jan?
You need to read it because I can't read that.
Okay. Might be just a little bit beyond our ability level here. I don't know if this is the right trail for us, but we will find out. They tell you to pizza, but they don't tell you how to steer while you're pizzaing. Oh boy. Yeah. Landed in the soft spot. Whew. I didn't die. Try again. We'll go French try this time, right? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, too fast. Third try. Try again. Hi, hi. Beautiful though. They closed the trail at 4. And I'm pretty sure it's because they closed the trail at 5. And they know dum-dums like us are gonna have gone down some trail at 3:15 that they aren't qualified to ski on. How's that hill, Jan?
I only fell once, not 3 times.
You didn't fall once. I don't know what you're talking about. You fell
No,
0
I just
times.
kicked up snow on myself.
Oh yeah, she didn't fall. Not at all. This was from when I fell face first. I splashed snow so far forward
Yeah.
that it got up the back of your legs. I think we live out here now. We're never getting back. A+ ski skills. So I'll probably show you when we land, but we probably should focus on staying on this trail and getting back to the lodge in time for closing at 4. We made it. It got a lot colder, but we're gonna pack out and head back to the cabin. Tell them we're not scared yet. Jen needs to slide down it. A very inviting opportunity over here.